The more things change, the more they stay the same. Boundaries shift, new players step in, but power always finds a place to rest its head. We fought and bled alongside the Russians. We should have known they'd hate us for it. History is written by the victor, and here I am thinking we'd won. But you bring down one enemy and they find someone even worse to replace him. Locations change, the rationale, the objective. Yesterday's enemies are today's recruits. Train them to fight alongside you, and pray they don't eventually decide to hate you for it too. Same shit, different day. You know what I'm looking for, Sergeant Foley. Keep your eyes open.
Got a new batch hitting the pit today, sir. I'll send you the best I find.
Welcome to Pull the Trigger 101. Private Allen here is going to do a quick weapons demonstration to show you locals how it's done. No offense, but I see a lot of you guys firing from the hip and spraying bullets all over the range. You don't end up hitting the damn thing and it makes you look like an ass. Private Allen, show them what I'm talking about. Grab that weapon off the table and fire at the targets behind you. Turn around and fire at the targets. You see what I mean? He sprayed bullets all over the damn place. You've got to pick your targets by aiming deliberately down your sights from a stable stance. Private Allen, show our friends here how the Rangers take down a target. Crouch first, then aim down your sight at the target. That's all there is to it. You want your targets to go down? You gotta aim down your sight. Now, if your target is behind light cover, remember that certain weapons can penetrate and hit your target. The private here will demonstrate. Last but not least, you need to know how to toss a frag grenade. Private Allen, pick up some frag grenades from the table. Toss the grenade down the range to take out several targets at once. Good. Note that frags tend to roll on sloped surfaces, so think twice before tossing one uphill. All right. Thanks for the help, Private Allen. Now get over to the pit. General Shepard wants to see you run the course. All right. Who wants to go first? Show me what you've learned so far.
Hey, Private. Welcome back to the pit. Heard General Shepard wants to pull a shooter from our unit for some special op. Anyway, he's up there in observation. Okay, good. So you already got your sidearm. Do me a favor, try switching to your sidearm. You see how fast that was? Remember, switching to your pistol's always faster than reloading. Well, smile for the cameras and don't miss. Shepard's gonna be watching. The best shooter gets to join the Prima Donna squad. That's your thing. Okay, head on in. Timer starts as soon as the first target pops. looked okay out there, but you still need some work. Okay, head upstairs and regroup with your team, or you can go back in and run the course again. All right.
All Hunter units, get to your victors. We're headed out.
Everyone get to your vehicles. We're moving out.
We are the most powerful military force in the history of man. Every fight is our fight. Because what happens over here matters over there. We don't get to sit one out. Learning to use the tools of modern warfare is the difference between the prospering of your people and utter destruction. We can't give you freedom, but we can give you the know-how to acquire it. And that, my friends, is worth more than a whole army base of steel. Sure, it matters who's got the biggest stick, but it matters a hell of a lot more who's swinging it. This is a time for heroes, a time for legends. History is written by the victors. Let's get to work.
Get up, Private Allen! Rangers lead the way! Move! If that bridge layer gets hit, we're swimming, whoa! Allen, switch to the M203.
Warlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting airstrike at grid 252171. Target is a white 12-story apartment building. Over.
Drop some rounds and we'll cross the river.
Hunter 2-1, this is Warlord. Solid copy. I have Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s online. Stand by for relay.
Hunter 2-1, this is Devil 1-1. Flight of 2 F-15s, time on station 15 mics, holding at 3 Sierra Northwest. Holding area knife, carrying 2 J-dams and 2 harms, over.
On the bridge, 10 o'clock hard. Multiple targets, take them out!
Standing by.
Devil 1-1, target is a white 12-story apartment building at grid 252171. I need you to level that building. How copy, over?
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1. Rolling in now. Target acquired.
Move out! We're moving out! Get your ass back in the vehicle! Move up, let's go! Move it!
Which building is it, sir?
It's that tall one at 1 o'clock.
Hey, which building?
The one at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right?
The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when does Shepard care about getting close?
That's what I'm talking about! It's Oscar Mike! All right, we're Oscar Mike! Oh, look, the building's going down! Hunter 2, breaking away.
Copy, Hunter 2. All Hunter 2 victors, keep an eye out for civvies. We're not clear to engage unless they fire first. Scan the rooftops for hostiles. Stay frosty.
You see anything?
I got nothing, dude. This place is dead.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1. We're passing Tunnel Harvey. Cross Street Elizabeth.
Roger that, Hunter 2-1. Proceed with caution.
All right, stay frosty, you guys. This is the Wild West.
Roger that.
Watch those alleys.
Covering.
Three-foot mobiles. Balcony, 12 o'clock. Probable militia.
Are they on?
Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us.
Yeah, but that don't mean we can shoot them.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All Hunter Victors. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to engage. We're taking sniper fire from multiple directions.
We got a ton of contacts front and back.
There's too many of them! Back up! Back up! Get us out of here! Run! Let's go!
Get the hell away from those windows and secure the top floor! Move! Move! Get a flashbang in there! Get her, sir! Check your fire! Hunter 2-1 to Hunter 2-3. I have eyes on the school. Over.
2-1, we are combat ineffective here! We're taking heavy fire from the school! Can you assist? Over!
Keep it together, 2-3. We're on the way. 2-1 out. On me, let's go. Second floor window, right side. Your fire.
Well, watch it! Some of them swing classes on the right!
Hunter 2-3. Hunter 2-1.
Copy that, Hunter 2-1.
Hostile taking cover behind the large desk. Keep moving! We need to take the heat off of Hunter 2-3. Cover me! Contact! Second floor window on the left.
Yeah, I'm cutting through history class now.
Roger that.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-3. Thanks for the assist. We're leaving. Over.
Roger that, 2-3. think I saw one run into that classroom. Moving! Clear! 121 actual to Overlord.
Hunter 2-1 actual, this is Overlord. Send traffic.
The school is secure and hostiles are withdrawing from the area. We're just mopping up now.
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceed with caution to the rally point. EPWs may still be in the area, over.
Roger that, Overlord. Thanks for the tip. Out. Squad, watch for enemy stragglers. Let's get to that rally point.
Check your fire, damn it!
Contact northwest. Friendly fire, friendly fire.
Use my helicopter. Gentlemen, good work on taking the town. Private Allen, you'll be taking orders from me from now on. I'll brief you on the chopper. Let's go.
Battalion is Oscar Mike!
So how do I look?
Like one of the bad guys. Perfect for your undercover assignment.
So Makarov is the prize.
Makarov's no prize. He's a whore. A mad dog killer for the highest bidder. Just remember your new identity. It'll keep you alive. Welcome to the 141. Best hand-picked group of warriors on the planet.
It's an honor, sir. When do I meet the rest of the team?
They're on a mission recovering a downed ACS module behind enemy lines.
Their feet wet?
Imagine they're just about freezing right now.
Break's over, Roach. Let's go. Stay here and spot me. Wait for my go. All right, the ice is good. Follow me. Good luck, mate. I'll see you on the far side. Hold on! Don't let go!
Roach, check your heartbeat sensor. You should be able to see me on the scope. That blue dot is me. Any unrecognized contacts will show up as white dots. Roach, these Muppets have no idea we're here. Let's take this nice and slow. You take the one on the left. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. Same plan. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. Storm is brewing up. Let's split up. I'll use the thermal scope and provide overwatch from this ridge. Use the cover of the storm to enter the base. You'll be a ghost in this blizzard, so the guards won't see you until you're very close. Keep an eye on your heartbeat sensor. Good luck. Not bad. Stay out of sight. You've alerted some guards. There's a truck coming. Stay out of sight. Nice one. Not bad. Roach, the fueling station is near the northeast corner of the runway. Hold up. I'm seeing some activity on the runway. Looks like 20-plus foot mobiles headed your way. That's the fueling station. You found it. I'm picking up more radio traffic about the satellite. Stand by. Got it. Sounds like the satellite's in the far hangar. Brace you there. Oscar Mike, out.
Починить этот винт от вертолета. Анатолий, как долго ты здесь?
Бросай оружие!
Picking up large heat signatures near the tower. Could be BMPs. I'd avoid that area.
Take a scenic, eh? Let's go.
upstairs and look for the ACS module. Roach, I've been compromised. Keep a low profile and hold your fire.
Come out with your hands up! You have 5 seconds to comply.
Roach, go to Plan B.
4, 3.
Stay close and hug the wall. We use the mix for cover and cross the tarmac to the southeast.
Roach, follow me. Let's go. Head for the MiG. I'll cover you. Take him out. I'll make a run for the next MiG. Give me some cover and fire. To the east, Roach. Go! Take that snowmobile. Let's get the hell out of here.
Kilo 6-1, the primary expo point is compromised. We're en route to the backup LZ using enemy transport. Meet us there. Over.
Bravo 6, this is Kilo 6-1. Roger that. Out.
More tangos to the rear! Just outrun them! Go! Go! Don't slow down! Keep moving or you're dead! Go! 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 Come on! Come on!
Bravo 6, we're at Bingo Fuel. What's your status? Over.
Kilo 6-1, we're taking heavy fire, but we're almost there. Stand by. Pin the throttle. Keep going. There's the chopper. Let's go.
Bravo 6, we have you on visual. Get your ass on board. We're running on fumes here.
Okay, they got the ACS. We're out of here.
The rest of Task Force 141 brought in the ACS, Alan. 2 men took down an entire base. I ask much more from you now. Yesterday you were a soldier on the front lines, but today, front lines are history. Uniforms are relics. The war rages everywhere, and there will be casualties. This man, Makarov, is fighting his own war and he has no rules, no boundaries. He doesn't flinch at torture, human trafficking, or genocide. He's not loyal to a flag or a country or any set of ideals. He trades blood for money. He's your new best friend. You don't want to know what it's cost already to put you next to him. It will cost you a piece of yourself. It will cost nothing compared to everything you'll save.
С нами Бог. Remember, no Russian.
Up the stairs. Go. Let's go.
Заходите, присаживайтесь, и Керубини напомнит вам, как приятно обедать дома. Внимание! Белая зона предназначена только для детей. Парковка запрещена. Автомобили...
They're right on time. Check your weapons and ammo.
I've waited a long time for this.
Haven't we all?
This way, let's go. Go.
Группе 4. Следить за вторым терминалом. Террористы могут пройти через подземный туннель. Прием.
S.S.D, take him out.
Группа 6. Мы отправляем грузовик к 17-му выходу второго терминала.
Let's go. Move up.
Группа 6. Мы отправляем грузовик к 17-му выходу второго терминала.
Seconds. Go. This way. Let's go. Hallway clear. Hold your fire.
Ну, шевелитесь. Get in. We've sent a strong message with this attack, Makarov.
That was no message. This is a message.
The Americans thought he could deceive us. When they find that body, all of Russia will cry for war.
The Russians ain't gonna let this massacre go unanswered. It's gonna get bloody.
Too right, mate. Now in the eyes of the world, they're the victims. No one's gonna say a word when the Russians club every American they can reach.
Makarov was one move ahead. Now he's left thousands of bodies at the feet of an American.
We're the only ones who know it was Makarov's op. Our credibility died with Allen. We need proof.
Follow the shell. Alejandro Rojas.
Never heard of him, sir.
You know him as Alex the Red. He supplied the assault.
One bullet to unleash the fury of a whole nation. Which means that...
He's our ticket to Makarov.
Ghost, the plates are a match.
Copy. Any sign of Rojas' right-hand man?
Negative. It stopped twice already. No sign of it. Wait, it stopped again. Stand by. Got a positive ID. Whoever these guys are, they're not happy to see him. Ghost, we have a situation here. Get down! Get down! Getting away! Ghost, let's go! Let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way. He went into the alley.
Non-lethal takedown. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Open his leg. He's down. Roach, this is gonna take some time. Go with Meat and Royce and check out the favela for any signs of Rojas. That's where this guy is headed.
Remember, there are civilians in the favela. Watch your fire out there.
Bravo 6, be advised. We've engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. Watch the rooftops. Go! Royce, give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over. Copy that. Keep searching. Let me know if you see him. Out. Roach, move up. Let's go. Rojas' location. He's headed west along the upper levels of the favela. We'll keep him from doubling back on our side. Keep going and cut him off up top. There's no time for backup. You're gonna have to do this on your own. Good luck. Out. Roach, this is their territory and they know it well. Keep an eye open for ambush positions and check your corners. Roach, watch the rooftops. We've had a few close calls with RPGs and machine guns stationed up high.
Eles estão tentando escapar! Mete bala, usa o
Roach, we're taking heavy fire from the militia here, but I'm still tracking Rojas. He's gone into a building. Roach, do you see him? Roger that. He's climbing up onto the roof carrying a black duffel bag. Now let's just slow him down. Roach, we're keeping him from doubling back. Keep moving to intercept. Go, go! I've lost sight of him again. Ghost, talk to me. I'm onto it. He's trying to double back through the alleys below. Roger that. Stay on him. I've got a visual on Rojas. He's cutting through the market. Roger that. I'll head for the rooftops and try to cut him off on the right. He's going to have no choice but to head west. Taking a lot of fire from the militia. I don't think I can track you through the market. I'm gonna have to find another way round. Be advised, I'm about half a clinging to the market. I can see Roas running across the rooftop on my right side. Roger that. Roach, we're corralling him closer to your side of the hill. Keep an eye out for Rojas. He's still making his way across the rooftops. I've got Rojas in my sight. I can go for a clean leg shot. We can end it here. Negative. We can't risk it. Do not engage. Bullets. Roger that. I've got a visual on Rojas. He's cutting through the market. Roger that. I'll head to the rooftops and try to cut him off on the right. He's gonna have no choice but to head west. Taking a lot of fire from the militia. I don't think I can track you through the market. I'm gonna have to find another way round.
Inimigo vindo por trás! Está here!
Be advised, I'm about half a clinging to the market. I can see Roas running across the rooftop on my right side. Roger that. Roach, we're corralling him closer to your side of the hill. Keep an eye out for Rojas. He's still making his way across the rooftops. Sir, I've got Rojas in my sight. I can go for a clean leg shot. We can end it here. Negative. We can't risk it. Do not engage. Bullets. Roger that. Roach, keep moving uphill. I've cut him off. He's got nowhere to go but west over the rooftops into your area. Roach, we know the area well, but we can trap him up here. Don't stop. Go, go! He's jumped the fence! I'm after him! Roger that! I'm going around to the left! Roach! I've spotted Rojas! He's making a run for it! He's heading your way! Don't shoot! We need him alive and unharmed! Roach, we're gonna cut him off in the stomach! Keep pushing him that way! Go! Go! He's making a run for it! He's heading your way! Don't shoot! We need him alive and unharmed! Roach, we're gonna cut him off in the stomach! Keep pushing him that way! Go! Go! Okay, we got eyes on Rojas. Wait! Ah, shite, he's headed back towards you. Nice! Breaking to the right again. Roach, if you see him, do not shoot him. I need him unharmed. Roach, keep pushing up the hill. Don't let him double back. Roach is on the move and headed your way. Ghost, I'm going far right. Roger that! He's gonna get away! No, he's not.
Front runner, this is Bravo 6. We've got the package. I repeat, we have got the package.
Command, ready for dust-off. Send the chopper. Coordinates to follow. Bollocks! The skies are clear. Send the chopper now! Command's got their head up their ass. We're on our own.